Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jody Paul. If you're new here, karibu sana. Let's start with these hauls. I'd gone for some shopping, monthly shopping, yeah, and now I was doing quick haul before I proceed with everything. So welcome and feel most welcome. I feel so happy in this vlog. I feel so happy guys. This vlog will be my best vlog ever among my videos. I know there are some which are best, but this is going to be my best. I'm finally going to unbox a washing machine, something that I've been wanting since last year. Yeah guys, I've been really wanting it, but whenever I've been wanting it, things keep on popping and distracting me. But I finally thank God that I'm finally going to unbox guys. So stick around, watch until the end, like and comment. Kindly subscribe, like and share my videos guys, and just let the ads to run. Yeah guys, so this was my monthly shopping. I know someone will ask me why I still bought the hand wash. Yes, I still bought the hand wash because I'll still be doing hand washing. Yeah guys, so for few things. So thank you so much and stick around. I thought it was good to keep this last memory into this vlog as we are closing this chapter and moving to another chapter. This was a day, some days before I got my machine. I was doing some laundry, hand washing guys, and I really loved it, but it was a hard work. So I thought it was good to keep it here so that we could remember where we've come from and where we are going to. This was days later. I'd gone for window shopping. I'd visit a Mika store in Nakuru. If you're in Nakuru, yeah, there's a Mika store next to Gilanis. Yeah, so they had a hot sale. I heard that they had a hot sale, so I went to check out whether I could afford whatever they were having. But unfortunately, I found that they were having dry and wash and dry. Guys, this is my dream fridge. This is my dream fridge. Since that I've gotten this washing machine, I think it has just motivated me to get whatever I want. I'm feeling like I can go for this one, guys. I really like that one. And tell me why I wanted everything in this store. This showroom had so many good things. Look at those pressure nini. What are these? So those who have tried to use this Taffen, this Taffet, I'm a Taff what? Yeah, this brand, is it that good? Tell me, guys, if you use it or if you have it, please comment down below. Tefat, yes, the Tefat. So tell me why I wanted everything. The pressure cooker, the rice cooker, the guys, these things were so good here, but unfortunately their hot sale was not hot selling, in quote, yeah, because after this I went also to Naivas. A friend of mine called me 2 days later and told me that Naivas had some good deal offers, and I say, let me go and check. So when I went to Naivas, here I am at Naivas. These are these dishwashers, guys. This thing is calling my name, literally spelling it well. So the deal was so good in Naivas than in Mika store, guys. That's what I can say. But with Mika store, they only had wash and dry. They didn't have wash and spin. But personally, I didn't see the need of getting wash and dry because we have Jua. So with the Naivas, they had very good deals. So many things are on offer. And if you're in Nakuru and you've got some cash, just run. I think the offer is still running, as because I'm going to post this video before the offers end. Yeah, guys, so just go and check something you can afford and grab yourself. Take advantage. Nowadays I do take advantage of offers because these electronics, you cannot buy them without offers, guys. They are damn expensive, but with offers you can find almost every electronic in your house. So guys, so let's window shop and get what we can afford. Hey guys, let's unbox. The beast is here. Let me turn it. It's small. So guys, the beast is here. We finally gotten our beast. No more bending over. So this is Mika. So guys, this is the beast. The beast is here. Yeah, the beast is here. We finally got ourselves a washing machine. Yeah, our washing machine is finally here, guys, and this is like a answered prayer. I told God that I really wanted this from last year, but every time that I was getting ready or prepared, something came up, something comes up, but now I thank God because it has come at the right time. Actually, I've not been having a nanny since January, and washing has become hell, and there's another reason why I really needed this. So this is where we dispense our soap dispensing, and blah blah blah. If you have machine, you know, we're still learning, and it has so many features. Are these called features or called what? Settings. Yeah, I mean settings. My cycle, cotton, synthetic, mix, bed linen, baby care, quick, intensive, eco, woolen, rinse and spin, clean, drum clean. Yeah, that's it. And the start buttons. Why is it not focusing? Yeah, guys, so it's a 10 kg wash and spin. And we really, really, really love it. So the drum is so big, guys. The drum is so big. It has come with a pipe, connecting pipe. I think this is an inlet. And this is our warrant. And yeah, so this is the drum. It's so huge and it looks beautiful, guys. Beautiful. And we were also given this. They were giving, it was being given free, 2 kg, I think 2 kg, if I'm not wrong, 1.5 kg sunlight for a start. So guys, so if you've been having a washing machine and you're watching this video, comment down below the best detergent to use, best and affordable. Mark the word best and affordable, because Mimi, I cannot buy washing machine at that price and then I'll go buy a washing detergent at 2,000. So just comment below, because but I've been seeing some of YouTube videos, some of friends who have a washing machine using Toss, the green one in the pail, but I don't know if is it the affordable one or is it the best. So comment down below. And yeah, guys, your girl is so happy. Your girl is so happy. No bending over. This is an answered prayer. My encouraging verse has come from the book of Philippians 4:19, which says, "But my God shall supply all your needs according to his riches in glory by Christ." So guys, never rush and take time. So sometimes as human beings, we find it so hard to be patient or to wait. If God tells you wait, you feel that the God is not doing his work. But who is God? God will do his things as he has planned. It has come at the right time, the best time. So this will remain my best year, my big purchase, big girls purchase, guys. So no more bending over. Your girl is blessed. Yeah, guys, so thank you for watching. I think we'll install it and we'll try it. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Your girl is happy.